Hide my longings, let them stay with you. One night, as I drift into sleep under the stars, I will come and take them, but don't let them wear out. I am a traveler in the dark, wandering in your cries. My sweat is the work of iron gates and mines. Hide my dawn within your heart, but don't let them wear out. One day if you see a bird with weary autumn wings, release the joys I left behind, the ones I couldn't retrieve. But keep your gaze hidden and don't let it wear out. My hands are close to your hair, my longings are close to bursting on the back of minds. My yearning lies wounded in a bare cage. I whisper the notes of my statelessness into your ears. Hide my fears within you, but don't let them wear out. Love is excited, timid, each time I step on the mind's back. Barbed wires and death remain, my hands tremble, hold them. Your heart hides my fear is death. Love and longing is stateless. Hide this stateless Zaza heart of mine within you, but don't let it